Hi everyone! Welcome to Artsonia's After School Art Club. Today we have a fun art project from Mrs. King, an art teacher from Colorado. Hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to have your artwork uploaded to your Artsonia gallery.
Hi, my name is Mrs. King and I am an elementary art teacher in Colorado. In my classroom, my students and I love open-ended art activities that focus more on the process and less on the final product. So as you are following along today, I hope you have fun experimenting with art materials, discovering new techniques, and creating art that makes your heart happy. Thanks for watching. To create our folded string prints, you need paper, a paintbrush, string, a paper plate, and paint. Today, I am using acrylic paint, but you could also use tempera paint or poster paint. If needed, you can now pause the video to gather your materials and set up your workspace. To start our folded string prints, we first need to fold our paper. You can fold it hamburger or hot dog style. Line up those corners and crease the fold line. Then we need our paper open. Now it's time to prep our string. Take your piece of string, kind of bunch it up, and put it on your plate, leaving a tail out to the side. Then apply the paint using a paintbrush to the string. Once your string is all covered in paint, carefully take your string off of your plate and you can arrange it however you want on one side of your folded paper. If you don't like the first arrangement, carefully pick it up and try it again. Remember, keep it on one side of the fold, not both sides. Leave a tail out at the end so you have something to pull. Then, fold your paper like a sandwich with your string inside. Gently rub all around the surface of the paper. Then, hold your paper with one hand and with the other hand, pull the string out from the paper. You can press kind of hard with your hand holding the paper down. That'll make sure that the paint design shows up really well. Keep pulling until you have the entire string out. Set that to the side and then unfold your paper and check out your awesome folded string print. Then you can do it again with another color.